Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. In this class, I will discuss how you can check current date and current time in MS Excel worksheet. To see the current date, you just need to press Control semicolon. If you press Control semicolon, you can see the current date. The other way, what you can do to get the current date is to just press equal today, open bracket, close bracket. If you do that, you can see the today date. Similarly, to get the today time, you need to press Control Shift semicolon, and by that you can see the current time. If you press equal now, open bracket, close bracket, you can see date and time together. The other way, what you can do, you can write a macro in VBA, Visual Basic. For that, you need to have a developer tab. Without developer tab, also you can open directly Visual Basic by simply pressing Alt F11. If you press Alt F11, you just need to write there sub. Sub stand for subroutine. You give a file name, then message box time for showing time, message box date for showing the date, and then end sub. So the code for this is this. So you can give a file name, doesn't matter. Make sure open bracket, close bracket, message box time, message box date. And once you're done with this, you can simply press F5. You can see the date, you can see the time here. Thank you.